To make this beautiful flower, you will need 2 pages. I'm using magazines. You can use music paper, wrapping paper, whatever you have on hand is perfect. And then you're going to fold your magazine page or whatever you have in half. And you're going to go ahead and cut that. And then you'll need a third. You need 3 strips altogether. And when I go through a magazine, I look for colors that I think will look nicely together. So I really like the blues, and I also like that there is some text as well, just to give it a little bit more of interest. And what you do is you take one of the strips and you fold it in half. You're going to take a ruler on the open edge. So here's the folded edge, here's the open edge. That's really important. And you're going to draw a straight line about 1/2 centimeter down. And this line is just to help you when you cut your strips. You don't want to cut beyond that line. And then you're going to go ahead and cut strips like so. Well, I think the brightly colors right here is going to be beautiful. While I'm doing this, it would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. And this part, you know, if you just listen to an audiobook or a TV show, it's very relaxing actually. And I love the sound of the snips. When you're done with all the snips, you're going to then open this and flip it over like so. So you're going to take double-sided tape or just, don't know why I made double-sided, why that doesn't want to work right now. Okay, guess we're going with a backup plan. White glue is fine as well. You're going to put that strip of glue on that red line that you had drawn. And then you're going to fold this in half. You know what? I think I'm going to do that the opposite. Oh, that's okay. Like so. I kind of wish now that I had folded this opposite so that the bright colors would have been on the outside, but that's okay. Unexpected is always good. So I do want this on the outside. Actually, I want this on the outside, so I'm going to put that in the inside when I fold. That is where I had made that mistake. So fold that in half. And then you're going to go ahead and repeat that. Again, you're going to put the part you want on the inside. You're going to repeat that process with these two. A shortcut, if you'd like, is go ahead and draw your red line, or whatever color, I suppose, about 1/2 centimeter down. You can fold this first if you'd like. Depending on how thin your material is, you could fold it really into quarters. Then when you do your snips, it's a whole lot faster. So that's just a little hint. Look how much faster that's going to be. But that's totally up to you. And then just get your snips that you couldn't get when it was folded. Flip it around. Glue on that same line that you had originally. And if a few break, no worries. You will not know. I'm going to go ahead and do the third one. Your 3 petal clusters that you've made, and you're going to take 2 of them and roll them around something fairly thick. So go ahead and add more glue. And you're going to roll this around. Now on purpose you want something thick right there, and you'll see why at the end. So roll, roll, roll. And then you can remove that fat object. More glue. And you're going to add the next strip right on. And then continue to roll. Look how nice and full this flower is becoming. A little extra glue at the end. Ooh, like so. Now, remember we used a marker in the middle, so you're going to have a thick hole. Find that hole. So here's your hole. Okay. Once you have that hole, smush it down a little bit to keep it. And then you're going to take your last one, add your glue. And this one you're going to roll super, super tight. If you have a quilling tool, that would be perfect. If not, you could use a toothpick or something really thin. So you're going to insert that in the gap in the middle and then roll. It's important for this one to be super tight because this is going to go in that center hole that I showed you. So roll, roll, roll. Keeping it super tight. can't wait to show you what this looks like at the end. It's really fun. Making sure it's super tight. Add a little extra glue at the end to hold it in place. Remove that tool. So this one is a lot tighter. And then here's your hole. Add a round of glue. And you're going to put it through the hole. Like so. And there you have it. How fun is this flower? Beautiful.